Yeah, one more time.
We just raced and got our asses kicked on the 488. My 360 camera's holding me back. That's true. It creates a lot of drag. All right, so we are Corsa Rally.
Okay.
Day, I don't even know what. We're cruising. We're catching up to the group. Had a little air out of the tires. Today we're going from, where were we? Lake Tahoe over to Park City, Utah. About 8 hours. We're rolling right now through Carson City. Just catching up to the homies. Let's get some shots of this baby on the road. We just raced and got our asses kicked on the 488, and the whole time, on the road, and Dan over here, let's see what he's got.
God, he's getting me again. It's windy in this lane. Oh, we got him. We got him. We got him.
B10.
Okay, here we go.
I don't know. I mean, I wasn't by you guys, but
We got LJ in. We got LJ coming up next. My 360 camera's holding me back. That's true. It creates a lot of drag. Okay, Lambros, I think that's all the action. We put Emmer's in the driver's seat now. She's cruising in the Lambo. We stopped, got gas, tried to make it to the salt flat, so probably just gonna cruise here for a while. When we get to the salt flats, I'm sure it'll be a video in itself, so stick around for that. and we'll see you in the next video. Lots of film, lots of footage of Ferraris versus Lambos, and you'll have to decide who the winner is later. What up, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars? Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to stevecurrington.com, and I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.